Morning, Rahul.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you, sir?
I'm good. How's your life?
My life is going very good. I hope your life is also going
Very good,
well.
nice. So, my dear, his name is Rahul, and today we want to talk personal talk with Rahul. He's my student, and he learned English from here. And so today we will discuss personal life and what's going in the market, and you will enjoy this video. So please watch till the end. So I'm going to ask question to Rahul. Rahul, I want to ask first question. Tell about yourself.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this
Welcome.
opportunity. And most of the people know my name. My name is Rahul Dwivedi, and I am 21 years old. I have been living in Delhi since my childhood, but I originally hail from the Uttarakhand, the place who is known as God's land. Apart of this, in my education, I have done 10 plus 2 from CBSE. Now I'm pursuing second year from the IGNOU. And about the experience, I have been working in consulting for a 1.5 years in a customer service, and it is a very amazing company. And I am working for a US process. The process name is Target. And about my family members, there are 3 family members in my family: my father, my mother, and me. My father has a own business. He is owning the printing press. My mother is a homemaker, and I have already told about myself. And about my hobbies, so I am cricket fanatic. Whenever I have a time, so I love to play and watch cricket. That's it about me.
Very good, nice, Rahul. You gave a good intro, and people just after listening it, I think people know, right?
Yeah.
What's right and who are you? And so, Rahul, my question, second question is that you told you from Uttarakhand, right? So, what do you like in Uttarakhand?
One of the great thing about the Uttarakhand is a very place where you will get the calm and serenity. Like the most of the people are very good because the people are not too much clever. Means it will, if you will go over there, and like most of the people are, they are stranger for you, but still they will try to put their 100% effort and they will try to help you. If you will go there, if you will say like I am not having a money and I want to eat food, I am feeling hungry, they will put their 100% effort.
So I think it means the person who are from Uttarakhand, they are very good and kind, right?
Yeah, they are very good, the fantastic people, and the nature,
Yeah.
it is too amazing.
Too amazing, right? Yeah, that's why it's called the Bhumi, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
God Bhumi, right?
Yeah, the place is
Okay.
known for a gold land.
Yeah, very good, nice. And how many members are there in your family?
Okay, so my father, my mother, and me, there are 3 family members. My father has a own business in
Yeah.
printing press in a Khanpur. My mother is a homemaker, and about me, you
Very
know all
good.
very well.
And what's your hobby?
Okay, so I am a cricket fanatic. Since in my childhood, I wanted to become a cricketer, but due to some circumstances, I did not get that opportunity to become a cricketer. But I am happy with it. But yes, I love to play and watch cricket. My favorite player is MS Dhoni.
Okay, very good. You said your hobby is playing cricket, right?
Yes, sir.
And you wanted to become a cricketer, but unfortunately you didn't become.
Yeah.
So I think you told your favorite is Dhoni,
Yes.
right? So what do you think when India won the World Cup? It was 2011,
Yeah.
and that time Dhoni was a captain, and Dhoni is your favorite. So what was your reaction that time, and how did you feel?
I felt very amazing since like at 2011. I was not that much aware about the cricket, and I know very well. Like my father came to from job, and he came and he switched on the TV, and he said to me, today is a final, and we should watch final. So I am not that much aware about the cricket, like what is cricket and how to play cricket. But I was seeing my father; he was very happy. Because you know very well, like India was going to win the World Cup after 28 years, like the drought was going to over. So my father was very happy and he was watching cricket, and I was watching to him as well. Like when I know very well when Dhoni hit the 6, so my father, totally became mad. Like mad is a
Crazy, right? Yeah.
He became very crazy. He was very
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah.
So at that day, I realized like Dhoni is the reason. Because of him, my father became very happy. He became
Okay,
crazy.
very good,
So
nice.
at that day, I started to follow cricket, and since Dhoni was the cricketer to whom I started to grow up, I started to watch cricket. I have grown up to watching
Very
cricket.
good, nice,
So that's
nice,
why
Rahul. You gave a very good example, and
Yeah.
you gave a very good experience about the cricket. And which movie do you like, and why?
the movie.
Do you like any movie first of all?
Usually, I am not a fond of watching movie too
Yeah.
much. But yes, previously I used to watch movie like the cinematographic movie, like
Yeah.
the Avengers movie.
Okay,
used to
I
watch
think how Hollywood movie.
Hollywood
Yeah.
movies. So like till the 2000.
And why you don't like Bollywood? Because in a Bollywood it is given by India, I think. So why you don't like? You are from India.
Yeah,
So
actually,
India.
I'm not fond of watching
Yeah.
movies. Till the 2019, I used to watch movies, Hollywood movies. Bollywood, I don't like because
There is no
movie which-
masala. There is no
no masala, which
spices.
doesn't make sense at all. Like the
Okay.
people are not getting
I
that.
think you think Bollywood is copying always.
Not always, but in most of the time they copy, and usually they don't make that much.
And what do you think the role of the South Indian? Because Hollywood and Bollywood, but there is one South Indian.
Okay, there was
So what do you think about the South Indian?
There was a time when we used to make joke on the South Indian movies because they are making the movies which doesn't make sense at all. But
Yeah.
nowadays we are realizing they are making very good movies. The great example like Bahubali and Triple R and Pushpa, there are a lot of movies which they deliver to us.
Yeah.
I think nowadays they are doing better compared than the Bollywood because
Yeah.
the Bollywood is somewhere trying to copying the movies from the South, and that is the reason like the nowadays the South.
Okay, do you have sister?
Uh, Unfortunately, no.
Okay, so
No sister,
you don't
but-
have the sister, all right?
Yeah.
So whenever there is a Rakhi, and then how to feel and how to control yourself because you don't have the sister. So from where do you get Rakhi
Yes,
on Raksha
that is
Bandhan?
one of the biggest regret in my life since I do not have a sister. I wish.
Did you make any sister?
Yeah, Jyoti is my sister.
Okay.
She ties a Rakhi, and by the God grace, like every Raksha
Every
Bandhan-
Raksha Bandhan
by
you
Bhaiya
get
goes-
Rakhi, right? Okay,
Yes,
every
and
Bhai
she ties-
does.
and she ties
Yeah.
Rakhi to me. And somewhere, yes, if I will get the opportunity to ask to God, like if there are any fulfillment, there are any desire which you want to fulfill, so I would ask, like, please give me elder sister.
Okay, Rahul, I asked many questions you crack, and before coming here, how was your life before joining the institute? Because somewhere you mentioned I was not having good job, it was as a labor. So I think YouTube family wants to know before joining institute, how was your life?
Okay, so my life was very difficult because since my father is doing a job, he is doing a very good job. He is putting his 100% effort, but still not getting that much amount which can fulfill everyone's desire. But I will not blame him. He is doing very good. But somewhere we needed that money, and that's why at the age of 16 I started to do job. I did not want to do job, but it was compulsion somewhere because after the COVID, like my father was not having a that much good amount and was not having a that much good job which can fulfill every desire. So I started to do job at the age of 16. I used to study at 11th class. Then I switched so many companies, but before coming to international, I used to work in Okhla. There was a factory where they make some music system, and I used to get 7,000 rupees in a month.
Okay, I think starting salary was 7,000.
Started salary was 2,500.
Okay, 2,500. You know, he started a job,
Yes.
and it was salary. I think 2,500.
Yeah.
And still, if you don't mind, how much salary you are getting?
By the God grace and by the somewhere your grace, right now I'm earning 30 to 35k.
So now you can think what is the power of English. After joining here, he learnt, and now he has been earning 35,000.
Yeah.
Right. So I think your life is happy.
Now it's happy because somewhere I'm getting to know like how to
Yeah.
do work, and English helped me a lot because when I joined.
So you want to give some message to audience?
Yes.
If you come here, what they can learn from here?
The thing, I think it is one of the best institute where you can learn great things, but it's up to you. You have to make the mindset. Yes, if I am going over there, if I am spending the money, so I will make sure like I will bring out 12,000 rupees. If I am giving 6,000 rupees, so how can I bring 12,000 rupees? So the thing you need to understand, English is just not a language in India. The thing which we need to understand, even we know very well like Hindi is our national language.
Yeah.
It is not national language. Most of the people love to speak Hindi.
Yeah.
And most of the people do not acknowledge the English language. They
Yeah.
say like English is just a language.
Yeah.
I also acknowledge like English
Yeah.
is a language, but
Yeah.
somewhere through the English you can create the opportunity where you can earn a lot. And
Yes.
this is the great example. Like I am working in a consultancy,
Yeah.
and within a one period of tenure, I got 2-time promotion just
Yeah.
because of the English, just because of the communication skills.
Yeah.
So I think English is one of the important language nowadays if you want to achieve the thing. Because just imagine you are sitting with 100 people. So how will you beat them just because of the language? Since you should have the communication language, you should have the communication skills. And when we talk about the communication skills, so nowadays
Very good,
English
nice.
is very important.
Yeah. So I think you told both and Hindi and English.
Yeah.
You told the quality of Hindi and English. Right now.
English
I'm
is very
happy.
important nowadays.
I think. Do you worship?
Absolutely, I worship. I believe in God because
So
somewhere
I think you are the devotee of Radha.
I am devotee of every god. Like mostly, I am the devotee
Yeah.
of Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
But today I got the opportunity to visit
Yeah.
temple.
So Rahul, you know Diwali is about to come, right? After some days, there is a Diwali. What's the planning for the Diwali? It's a big festival of India.
Yes, yesterday it's a big festival of for India, and like we celebrate. And I love to hand over to sweets to everyone, because we love to give sweets to every our friends and family members. And I'm very excited for Diwali, because now I'm earning good, so I can celebrate the Diwali the way
Okay.
which I want to celebrate. And in the previous time it was very difficult to celebrate the Diwali, because I used to burn the cracker, but how can I say to my father, please bring me 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, since just I wanted to burn crackers. So
Okay.
it did not make sense at that time, but now by the God grace I am that much capable. I can bring whatever I want to bring.
Very good, nice. So I think this Diwali would be happiness with
Yes,
you, right?
I'll give gift to my family
And,
members.
okay, Rahul, what time do you get up?
Since I'm doing a night job, so I come to my home at 10:30 a.m. So then at 12 o'clock and 12:30 I sleep, and then at 6 p.m. in the evening, 6 or 7 p.m. in the evening, I wake up, because I am not habitual of sleeping too much. 6 to 7 hours sleeping is too enough for me. I can
Okay.
wake up at entire day if I get the sleep of 6 to 7 hours.
So according to you, and how many hours we should sleep?
If we go with the science, so science says like we should sleep 6 to 8 hours, but it's up to the person. Like if the person feeling very lazy, so I think person should sleep, because somewhere it is very important. But for me, if I sleep 4 to 5 hours, so it is enough. I don't get too much pain, I don't get too much disturbed if I don't sleep. So that is
So
good.
very good. So thank you, Rahul. You came.
Thank you so much.
And I'm very glad. I'm very happy you are my student. You spoke very good today. So you enjoyed with Rahul and me also, my dear. So if you like this video, so please share and subscribe, and meet in next video.